everyone, welcome to our room tour here at the Fairfield Inn. It's right across the street from Disneyland. It was a super easy walk to the park, and we're going to show you our room. It's a 2-queen room. There's 2 queen beds here, and they each have 4 pillows, which I find really nice. There are a lot of outlets here. There's 2 USBs in this alarm clock here, and then 2 regular plugs in this lamp, which is really nice. This lamp here also has 2 outlets. There's a nice sized TV in this room. It's really quite big actually. And our room does have an adjoining door, so if you do have a bigger family or you're bringing the grandparents along, you could get adjoining rooms, which is a really nice feature as well. There's a nice sized chair which folds out into a twin size bed. For our family, this would be a really great option because as our kids get older, they're not really too fond of sharing a bed when we go to a hotel, so for them each to have their own space would be really nice. The best part of this room by far is the view. I am blown away by the view. I had no idea this hotel had such a great vantage point. We're up on the 9th floor, which is the very top floor, and boy did we luck out with this room. So look at this. You got the Matterhorn, I can see Batu, I can see Space Mountain. All the way over here I see Guardians of the Galaxy, I can see the Incredicoaster, Pixar Pal Around. Incredible view. Another nice feature is this mirror outside of the bathroom with ample lighting, so someone could get ready in this mirror while someone else is in the other part of the bathroom using that mirror. Next is the bathroom. It's really nice that they added this little sliding door. If someone gets up really early, they can get ready without waking up other people. It has been updated. The counters are quartz, which is really nice. There's not a ton of storage, but I do really appreciate that they added some shelves, and there's some room down below along with some drawers. And I do like this, a hanging bar for towels. Also over here, they have an ironing board, a luggage rack, place to hang clothing, which is always nice. In this drawer is a safe. It's not the biggest safe. I don't think Jim's laptop would fit in here, but it is nice that they have a safe because some places don't have one. And it is secured to the drawer. There's a coffee maker, and they do provide some coffee and tea. Down below here is a mini fridge. It is not the biggest mini fridge on the planet, but it would totally be doable. So the bathroom looks like it's recently updated, which I really appreciate. It's super clean in here. I have no issues at all with this bathroom. I like all the nice tiling work they did, and I really appreciate this extra little bar to put your toiletries on because I feel like a lot of times in hotel rooms there's not a whole lot of space.
This brings us to the pros and cons. The pros are its proximity to the park. There are view rooms. It's close to Panera, Mimi's, and McDonald's. There is an on-site pizza restaurant, and there are communal microwaves. The front desk is attentive. And finally, we experience wonderful customer service while there.
The cons are, although there are view rooms, there are no balconies to enjoy the view from. There's a $24 a night parking fee. And to some people, a con may be that this is a motel, not a hotel, so there may be additional noise in the corridors.